My name is Hayden Haas, and this is my star dish. Today we're making my pickle pizza recipe. They also have pickle pizza at the Minnesota State Fair, so let's get started. First, we're gonna roll out our pizza dough. You can use homemade or store-bought. I'm adding a little bit of fresh flour. You want to spread your pizza dough out into about a 14 to 16-inch diameter crust. We're also going to add some olive oil, but you can use garlic-infused olive oil. You can use whatever you've got. Spread the oil out on top of the pizza. Next, I'm going to add my minced garlic on top of my pizza and spread this out. Next, we're going to add a layer of Havarti cheese. This Havarti dill is super creamy. When it melts, you're just gonna love it on pizza. So after we've added Havarti cheese, we're also going to add some Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. For our toppings, we're gonna use some pepperoni, but you could totally substitute for some ham, or bacon is also delicious. I love extra cheese on my pizza. That's probably something that you can find at the Minnesota State Fair. The next part of assembly is our pickles. Here's a pro tip. Dry off your pickles on some paper towel so they don't make your pizza all soggy. Last topping is some crushed red pepper flakes, but this is optional if you don't like spice. Now that we've added all of our toppings, it's time to bake this in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. I'm always reminded of all of the fun times that we had at the Minnesota State Fair, and we tried so many different types of food. I recommend going and dedicating 1 or 2 days to go if you can. They have so many different pickle flavored things, from pickled popcorn, pickle on a stick. This is just another thing to add to the list. After we've pulled it out of the oven, top with some more red pepper flakes, a drizzle of ranch dressing, homemade or store-bought. I like a little bit of spice on my pizza, so I like to add a little drizzle of sriracha. For some fresh herbs, we are also going to top it with some dill. If you're looking for a taste of the Minnesota State Fair, this is a great recipe. Enjoy!